The deepest wounds don't come from enemies. They come from people you trusted with your heart. I learned that the hard way. Betrayal didn't just hurt my feelings, it shook my sense of reality. I questioned my judgment, my worth, even my ability to trust again. But here's what betrayal taught me. It reveals character, just not mine. Someone else's decision to break trust is not proof that you were foolish. It's proof that you were brave enough to trust. Healing begins when you stop blaming yourself for someone else's choices. You can acknowledge the pain without letting it define you. Trust again, slowly and wisely. Not because everyone deserves it, but because you deserve peace. Click subscribe and join the family.